Hi everyone, this is Ella and we are exploring Ninh Binh, Vietnam. And this is Keenan with me and Justin. Come and join us in this adventure. This bird park felt like stepping into a hidden world of nature. Everything was calm, green, and beautifully manicured. That kind of place that instantly relaxes you. Look at these trees. They're quite unique, yeah? This park is one of northern Vietnam's most magical attractions and a haven for bird lovers and nature seekers alike. We wanted to do some cycling, but these bikes are not for rent. Those are the boats that will take us to the sanctuary. Justin and Keenan were asking what time will they close because we wanted to walk around first before embarking the boat. And true enough, there is still some time left, so we decided to continue walking. Do you know what plants are these? This is such a huge park, so you need a vehicle to take you to different places. There is also a stunning flower garden that feels like a little piece of paradise, hidden in the wetlands. The colorful blooms stretch out in front of you with hundreds of flowers planted around. Walking to the garden, surrounded by the blossoms and the sounds of nature. Oh, it really feels like stepping into a painting. Truly peaceful and beautiful. A place to pause, breathe, and take in the colors of Vietnam. There were so many beautiful corners throughout the park. The gardens, there's waterways, and walking paths. And it felt like the perfect place to explore as a family. When we were there, in one of the areas, a group was having a team building activity, and it was such a lovely scene watching their laughter echoes through the park as they played games together. It added such a joyful energy to the serene wetlands, blending human connection to the rhythms of nature. This is our boatman, all smiles as he rowed us gently across the water towards the sanctuary. we are going to see the birds, and we got the boat all to ourselves.
Again.
Look again. Wow. So private. Oh, look at that. So clean. We are now entering the bird conservation area. Look at that. We are now approaching the area, and we saw some signs to keep silent out of respect for the birds that were about to return to the trees. It was almost sunset, and watching them glide home in the golden light felt truly magical. Surrounded by limestone cliffs and still waters, the whole experience was calming and truly unforgettable. We entered the mermaid cave without many expectations. To get there, you climb up the hill, then carefully make your way down steep steps, and suddenly you're surrounded by something truly magical. Some of the stalactites hang so low that we had to bend, crouch, and move slowly throughout the cave. But the walkway is beautifully designed, well lit, and feels very safe the entire way. Then, deep inside, we reach the mermaid statue, quietly waiting in the glow of the lights, and it felt like discovering a hidden secret beneath the ground. Mermaid Cave reminded us that some of the most unforgettable travel moments come from places we almost didn't expect it at all. That's the banyan tree, standing tall and majestic, with its long roots reaching down like curtains from the branches. In Vietnamese culture, banyan trees often symbolize protection, wisdom, and longevity, and standing beneath it, you could really feel that calm, grounding energy. It feels like the kind of place you naturally slow down, breathe deeper, and just appreciate being surrounded by nature. Thung Nham Bird Park was truly a peaceful escape. From colorful gardens to hidden caves and thousands of birds in their natural habitats, this place offers a quiet escape into nature. But our Ninh Binh adventure isn't over yet. Next, we'll be exploring the stunning rivers and caves of Trang An and Tam Kok, and trust me, you wouldn't want to miss it. And if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check out our adventures in Halong Bay and Hanoi, and the links are waiting for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join us for more moments with a family journey.